guys, I'm in California Adventure. We're at Disneyland again. This is like, in the past 3 months, we've been going like over 5 times. So I'm actually here with Scylla and a new person with us. Sophie, say hi. Finally came with her, so. And we're gonna go see, not Aladdin, because it's not Aladdin anymore, but it's the Frozen show, and it's all because of Sophie. She's like, hey, it's at 5. So we're gonna go see that right now.
Hyperion Theater. Thank you, and enjoy the show.
It's a short trip. Your father and I will only be gone for a few weeks.
Be strong, Elsa.
No, don't touch me. I don't want to hurt you.
Our deepest sympathies, Princess.
Your parents will be greatly missed.
It was really good.
And then at the part where the what's it called? The parents came out, they started singing.
At the end?
I
was like, oh wow, they didn't, yeah. It's really good. Now we're in Disneyland. So we're gonna end up seeing a friend, Rudy. He's somewhere here. Rudy!
He's in India
Yeah.
now.
Oh, okay. The ride that breaks so often. All right.
Yeah. And we'll watch him get to the front.
He's stuck here the whole time. Oh.
It's like, I've been waiting for an hour and... You know, that actually happened to me.
Really?
Yes, it actually happened to me. So we came with our school because we won we won something. I don't remember what it was. We came with our school.
Your school?
Yeah. And we were in line and we get to that part, you know, like where it's kind of like you're starting to go down to get on the ride. Yeah. And I was there with my friends and the ride stopped. And they're like, oh, you know, we're having some difficulties and stuff, but obviously they're saying it in a way that'll go with how the ride is.
Oh, really?
And I was like, what? So we sat there. I was like, no, we are not leaving. What if it comes on in like 3 minutes? We are sitting here because I went through an hour-long line.
So we're gonna stay here for another hour.
Yes. So I was like, I am not leaving. What if it comes on in like 3 minutes? I'm not leaving.
Bubbles. I can never get the bubbles on this camera. Oh, I finally did.
Get my selfie.
Get that bubble. Get the bubbles. And going.
Oh, it's a boomerang?
Yeah. It's going to Sophie's head. The little womp. Womp.
Oh, I see it.
Bubbles! You can't get them. They're just so small. The ride shut down?
The ride shut down.
We knew it.
Yeah.
So we're at. Oh, we're on. It's right at the drop. Hold on. You guys like drops? Yeah. Hi. Brendan and Rudy. Hey, Rudy. Hello again.
Okay, she's my friend Roxy.
Hi. Hi. We were just in this line and we're here again. So, yeah. We were just here. Ran into you guys. Hi.
Again.
Again. Hi.
And I'm Pirates.
Yeah, we went on it twice.
We tried to like Jonathan.
Yeah.
At first they were like,
Hi, how are you?
Where's the little
They're over there. Group got a lot bigger. A lot bigger. Yeah.
bigger than that.
Very big.
That's 100 followers right there. Yeah.
So this is what happens when you get on Pirates.
Got a little wet.
Oh, wait, I need to focus. Focus.
What? Is it that bad?
Yes.
Can't tell.
Yes.
Oh wow, yeah. Pretty
It's all the
bad.
way over there.
I know, Adam.
That's really bad. I feel it now. Yeah.
This is her first time getting a haunted mansion.
Really? Did you think it was like a house or something, or?
Yeah.
Really? Oh. Oh, why are we going to this house?
The White House. I'm just kidding.
Wow, the White House?
The president of Disneyland lives in this White House. But his name is not Trump.
I'm like, what the heck? Where did this news come from?
Another one joined us.
And I couldn't hold on to anybody because I didn't want people to think I was a weenie. And I was like, I was like, you're gonna be on
Well, now you can hold on to Roxy.
Can you cut that out?
Sure.
It's like replay.
Can you edit the video?
Fantastic.
Nothing is more powerful than the imagination, for it can also expand your greatest fears into an overwhelming nightmare.
Nikki.
Is that Christian?
All the time, yet they're always surprised. Pirates.
Now you will deal with me and all the powers of my imagination! You're so powerful! Well, this is my dream!
Now it smells like farts.
That was amazing.
It was great.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, return to
Kind of
normal.
the same.
Yeah,
Wow.
pretty much. Like the story's the same. The story's
Oh.
the same, but everything else, like the props, the like, you know,
The things
like
happening.
The
The princess
coming out.
was
That's
different.
That's
Oh.
They used to come out. They only used to come out on that one boat.
Oh, now they have 3.
Yeah.
Bye.
This way.
Oh, okay, hug. Bye, Weddle. Bye. So how was it?
It was fun.
Again?
did not feel anything.
She felt it.
What?
Did you stare at it the whole time?
He's like, I don't feel anything.
I did.
Yep, even after the turn, I stared at it.
Your head and looked at it. Yeah, I turned like my whole body. Okay, maybe I did feel because my neck's like the force
It was
is like.
Like Josh? What's up? Like Josh? Yeah! Bye.
Hey, make sure your camera doesn't die this time.
Yeah, I got other batteries. Bye. Bye.
You guys get it.
Ooh, I haven't had that yet. It looks good.
You want to try it?
Go for it.
I wanted to go to Flow Bob.
Let's go.
Oh my god.
Pineapple?
Really good.
Pineapple, that's not a word.
Pineapple.
Pineapple, that's my word.
It is now. Look at the toe thing.
Sorry, Debbie. Got in the way.
You're in the way of my
Park on the cool side. Oh, you guys.
Nice to meet you.
Bye, nice to meet you.
Yes.
Peace on YouTube. You guys are the best. It was cool meeting you, Adam. Adam up now.
He knows now.
Adam what? Adam up now.
Yo, he didn't hear. Oh, he didn't hear it till now. Oh, yeah. Oops.
It's okay, Adam. It's okay.
His phone knows.
Adam up now. That's his YouTube channel. Oh, it's Adam Up Now's channel. Bye, you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys. Good night.
Bye. Yeah, what are you doing? Go with them.
I'm gonna be like, follow me on Instagram. And gonna cut me off.
Bye, good night.
Does he fit there?
Begin our trip shortly.
Yes.
What two?
There.
Ladies and gentlemen, back behind the yellow safety line.
We did it. He's all talking to behind the yellow line.
And I need everybody to go back behind the yellow line.